Since Governor Brian Kemp's address to Peach State residents on Friday, many Georgians are asking, did Kemp reopen business for the state too early? According to the statement the governor made last week, Georgia meets the requirements needed to initiate phase 1 of a 3-phase process to, quote, safely reopen and get folks back to work, end quote. That 3-phase process is from the CDC and White House guidelines to opening up America again. And in phase 1, a gating criteria must be met, showing a decline of emergency room visits for flu-like illnesses and COVID symptoms, in addition to a decline of new confirmed coronavirus cases or a decline of positive tests, all within a 14-day period. With over 23,000 confirmed cases in Georgia, according to the Georgia Department of Public Health, and that number increasing on a daily basis, the governor uses the latter to meet the gating criteria needed for phase 1. Some public health experts argue that because Georgia barely meets the criteria to reopen, the state is doing it too soon. They also point to projections from the website of the Institute for Health Metrics and Evaluations, showing that Georgia has not yet reached its peak for reported deaths per day. One of the main concerns surrounding the matter of Georgia opening too soon or not is testing. While testing across the state has increased, Georgia still has one of the lowest testing rates in the nation. Right now, there are roughly 100 testing sites throughout the state, but the criteria for getting tested is approval from a healthcare provider, which will only happen if a patient is showing symptoms of the virus. Aside from healthcare workers and other critical infrastructure workers, such as law enforcement, that leaves a huge fallout for people not showing any symptoms or asymptomatic patients. According to health officials, people who are asymptomatic are one of the leading causes to the spread of coronavirus. Currently, only 4 of the testing sites in Georgia offer testing for asymptomatic patients, and all 4 of those are located in Augusta, Georgia. That raises concerns for many Georgia business owners who are torn between needing the financial support from working and the health and safety of their life. To add on to that, Governor Kemp did not put in place any mandate to test employees who would have re-entered the workforce on Friday, leaving that matter in the hands of business owners. Many Georgia business owners, not convinced with the current numbers, are still choosing to keep their doors closed until they feel it is safe. Since Georgia is receiving the 4th highest share of unemployment benefits, there is some reasoning for getting businesses open sooner rather than later. But whether or not it was too early, only time will tell. Vivian Haynes reporting for JOUR 4905.